If you're looking to get into the collector car hobby and want a nice car and a good price point, take a look at this 1971 Ford Torino. As you can see, nice looking white car, black deck stripes, black vinyl roof. It's riding on a new set of Koi rims as well as fresh tires. Looking for a nice driver quality car, one you can get in the seat, turn the key and go. This is it. Powered by a 351 Cleveland underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. Also has AC, so very nicely equipped car. FYI, the AC, according to the previous owner, would leak down after a year to year and a half. So usually he would charge it up the beginning of the year and would work for him for a summer until it was stored. Or if you just want to go with the windows down the way it is, that's fine also, but just want to give you the heads up on that. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, interior pics, engine bay, check out the still pictures of this car. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find them. Feel free to call us too if you got any questions, want us to look at something specifically. Maybe you'd like to schedule a third-party inspector, talk to us about transportation. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out. And you see kind of a slate or dark blue interior. Vinyl bench up front, shifter in the column. It is an automatic. Has a little later model aftermarket AM/FM stereo put in there. Other than that, pretty much retains the stock dash and look. As you can see up and down the car is pretty darn straight. Paint's nice on it, has a decent luster. Again, nice driver quality is what I would call this one. And a good price point car too. So like I said, if you're looking at getting into the collector car hobby and want to have a little fun, or maybe you owned a Torino back in the day, here's your chance at another one. Once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available on these classics. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation where you're located at. Nice looking Koi wheel in this car, those spinners. Give it a good look. Let's go ahead and pop the door so you can take a look at the interior. Like I said, nice driving car. The previous owner of this car was kind of telling us a little story about it. And he has a few of them, let's put it that way. He's a collector. And this was the one his wife would always say if they were going somewhere or taking a little trip, this is the one she wanted to drive. Because you know what? It's comfortable, drives out nice. Nice driver. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. How it runs. See, car starts easily. That red light is a seatbelt light. Little aftermarket tack put on the steering column here. Let it warm up a little bit. And I'll slip around back so you can hear it run. See, it's a factory AC car. Aftermarket stereo. Odometer reads 82,583, but it's been gone through since then, so I won't be surprised if that was original miles, though, by judging on some of the things on this car. As you can see, dash not cracked, also nice shape. Headliner, see it, also nice shape. Slip around to the back. Hear the rumble out of that 351 Cleveland. Nice sounding car. Like I said, if you're looking for a driver, one to get in and go, definitely consider this car if you're in the market for a Torino. I'm going to pause this a second and we'll pop that hood. Oh, one other thing I wanted to show you once we got around to the front. Headlight and doors. We'll get this question asked a lot on these cars. As you can see, yes, headlight doors do work. Alright, now I'm going to pause this a second and let's go ahead and pop that hood. Turn the lights off, pop the hood, and let's check out underneath. See how that engine bay looks. All right. So as you can see, the headlight doors made their way down. Here's the engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes. AC car, AC meaning to charge for itself from the previous owner. How smooth that 351 runs. There you go, 1971 Ford Torino. Nice driver quality car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing's available. We do consider trades, and of course we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.